Oh, ito. Okay.
Sige. Second game, kaibaan. Sir Martin first position. Back shot, counted agad by Sir Ralph Martin. Pangalawang bayat kay Sir Eric. Sir Eric handling to AJ. Pass to Sir Eric again. Nice pass, reverse. Ilaloy, wala. Pumulwa. Offensive. Jamorant, wala rin. Pimulwa. Sir Ralph again. Back shot, counted na naman by Sir Ralph Martin. Bawi naman, bawi. 4. AJ Boy, dumidiskarte pa. Step back. Pass to, uy, nabitawan. Save by estimate. Attack, may kasamang foul. Jamorant to Sir Eric Ligo. Pass to number 14. Nice pass sa ilalim. AJ. Basket. Counted for 2 points. Busdan to Bus Jericho. Pass to Bus Danilo. For 2 points. Counted. Nothing but net. Sir Eric to number 14. Jason Kidd. Back to Sir Eric Ligo. Deliote number 15. Pull up triple. Wala. Ramirez. Rebound. Pass to Kapilan. Counted. Basket. Sir Eric para 2 points. Wala po. Rebound Kapilan. Good. Good le. Sir Eric to Bus Jericho. Back to Sir Ralph to Kapilan. Bang shot counted. Number 14. May kasamang foul. First attempt. Wala. Final throw, wala pa rin. Deliote, secure the rebound, non-basket. Boss Darwin. On the attack, wala. Second chance, uy, wala na. AJ Boy, the plus. Pass to AJ, the basket. Morant pala. Boss Dan, pick and drive, attack. May kasamang foul sa ilalim. Boss Jico para to, in and out, wala. Ramirez the rebound. Foul up by Boss Jico, basket. Counted in 1. Oy. Bonus throw. Wala, hiwi. Jamorant the rebound. Jamorant drive. Wala. Deliote secure the rebound. Wala, may kasamang foul. Sir Ligo to AJ Boy. Corner 3. Tago to Boss Jericho the rebound. Boss Jericho on the attack. Driving. Attack. Wala. Kapilan. Corner 2 points. Counted. Sir Eric again to AJ Boy. Corner 2. Sobrada. Boss Darwin to Sir Ralph Martin to Kapilan. Kapilan on the drive. In 1. Counted. Basket. Sir Eric again to Deliote. Uy, bad pass. Kapilan to Sir Ralph Martin. Wala. Sobra. Jason Kidd. Wala. Pass to Boss Dan. To Boss Jericho. Back to Boss Dan. Gallardo step back. Counted. Air Jordan. Jamorant. Oy, good pass. Deliote number 15. Wala. Sir Martel. Uy, bad pass to Jamorant. Jamorant finger hole. Del Yote, the rebound. Kapilan to Boss Jico. Uy, bad pass. Turnover. Patay tayo dyan. Sir Eric Ligo versus Boss Jericho. To Del Yote. Del Yote on the attack. Good luck. Kapilan, the rebound. Kapilan drive. Wala. Good play. Jamorant to AG Boy. Bank shot. Wala pa rin. Follow up. Good. Boss Jico to Kapilan. Insurance counted. Sir Eric Ligo. Pull up jumper. In and out. Wala. Sir Ralph Martel to Kapilan. Good play. Agawan. Turnover. Jason Kidd to Jamorant. Ilinabas ang bola. For triple, counted. Triple downtown. Magaganahan. Boss Jake to Boss Dan. Gallardo, malakas. Rebound Del Yote. Jamorant finger hole, wala. Kapos. Kapilan for downtown. Counted. Triple downtown. Sir Ligo. Pull up. Counted. For 2 points. Kapilan again. Bad pass. Jamorant on the attack, counted. Kapilan fire at 3. In and out, wala. Del Yote to Jason Kidd, wala. Bad dribble. Jamorant pick, bank shot, counted, is good. Bad pass na naman. Del Yote, finger hole to the basket. Boss Jico to Boss Jericho. Back to Boss Danilo. Fire at 3. Malakas. Ramirez, bank shot. Second chance, counted by Boss Darwin Ramirez. Sir Ligo to Del Yote to AJ Moran. AJ. Jason Kidd, wala. Moran to Del Yote. Del Yote attack. Counted. Boss Jake to Boss Darwin. To Kapilan. Triple. Sir Ligo to Jamorant, wala. Jamorant the rebound. For downtown, wala pa rin. Del Yote. Third chance, back shot, counted. Boss Jake to Boss Dan. Boss Dan, fire, wala. Sir Mark Martel, may, wala. Good. Boss J, fire at 3. Wala. Busdan. Pick. And drive. Wala. Second chance to Boss Jake. Sir Martel. To Busdan. Sir Eric Ligo. Wala. Kapilan. The rebound. Kapilan. Drive. Finger roll. Wala. Malakas. Jaborant. Pull up triple. Busdan. Power rebound. Bus Danilo. Wala. Deliote. Stibag triple. Downtown. Wala. Boss Jericho, the rebound versus Deliote. Kapilan, power drive, may kasamang foul. Sir Maltel. Good play, good play, good play. Sir Danilo, driving to Boss Jericho. Attack. Malakas. Sir Eric. Oh, counted. 2 points by Sir Ligo. Martel. Kabag shot. Wala. Jason Kidd. Nice block by Kapilan. Sir Ligo versus Sir Martel to EJ. Deliote. Jamorant. Jamorant to Deliote. Long two. Rebound. Kapilan. Kapilan fight. Counted. Basket. Foul. Jamorant. Wala. Busdan. The rebound. Boss Darwin. Attack to Kapilan. Kapilan fire. Wala. Airball. Jamorant. Spin. Wala. Good shot. Nice pass to Boss Jericho. Wala na naman. Jason Titom to Jamorant. Wala pa rin. Pass to Boss Danilo. Ramirez Darwin. Malakas. Boss Jericho. Counted. Basket. Sige. Fight. Sir Eric, para 3. Wala. Busdan to Sir Martel. To Boss Jericho. Linabas ang bola. Kapilan, para 3. Wala. Deliote to EJ. EJ. Pass to Jason Kidd. Ilinabas ang bola. Jason Kidd, finger hole to the basket. Counted. Busdan, receive the ball. Busdan. Wala. JJ, counted. Boss Jericho. Busdan. May kasamang foul. First one, counted. Jumper ready. Final throw, wala. Jamorant the rebound. To Jason Tatum, to Jamorant. Counted, bang, shot. Sir Martel. Bad pass to AJ. AJ for 2-point, counted. Kapilan drive. Kapilan. Wala. Rebound. Counted! Game